Boy, you're riding good. It's a bit bumpy. Come over this way. Do it on the concrete. Can't see you there. It's not as bumpy on the concrete.
What's this done?
Hang on, we'll move the bike so you got some room to move. Wow, you're pretty good on that. Turn it around. What? No, don't worry about the snails.
It's snails. Eat me.
Show Auntie Simone and Uncle Laurie and Samuel Matilda how you ride it. Whoa, jeepers. Slow down. And you say thank you for my present. Okay, done. Oh, he's gone. Bye.